So, welcome to this short training video. It is to do with the tool for making square profile threads, which of course you can do directly, but you can automate the process using the tools available in SolidWorks. So I want to show you how to go about it. So to start with, we go to open to locate the source files which needs to be changed, and to show you exactly where it is, thread profiles. So when I open this, what you'll see are those 5 files located inside, which are already pre-made by SolidWorks. And the file that we are interested in to make a square tap threading tool is, we shall use this template here, which is already there, and I want to copy it and edit it. So first of all, copy, then paste it back, and we rename that file. You can rename it to what you like, but for this case I'll call it SQ metric tap. Now we open this file and we want to edit the profile or the diagram that you're seeing there. So edit it, and it has some information. We don't need this one, we don't need this, okay, I'll delete these 2 lines and this. So let's do the dimension of what we're seeing. I'll take this one and make it to equal to this one, half of it. Accept that. Then make this line, make it equal to this. And join them to make our diagram complete. Okay, now we have some definitions to do. This line, sorry, smart dimension, this line is equal to this one. Accept. And our diagram is fully defined. So we just save this file, close it, then now, is it possible now to apply that thread automatically onto this one? So we move to Hole Wizard, then see that our cylinder has a chamfer already, and I'll explain this to you, because without that chamfer the Hole Wizard apparently does not work well. So I'll pick the location, this one, the first edge. Then maybe I can make it blind so that it doesn't have to go to the end. Then our thread tool is already there, and you can choose any of them as per your liking. Maybe I can change to, okay, our diameter there is about 33, so maybe what it has, okay, it's slightly smaller, so let's go to maybe this one. Okay, then, and let's see what it's going to do. And there you have your threads cut. Okay, you can see the square from the inside. They're going up to the place we had indicated. Now that is a tapping tool. You need, for the outer side, you need to have a die, and following this I'll be showing you how to make a die cutting tool for the square thread. Now in this second part of the video, I'll show you how to make the thread cutting tool for the square profile using a die tool that we're going to make out of what is already existing in SolidWorks. So we go back to that folder, and that is a folder there, thread profiles folder. I'll open it, and as you can see, this is the one we made earlier. Now we want to see that this is for tap, we want to make for die, and the procedure is almost the same. So let me open it. I'll first of all copy and paste it back and rename it to square metric die. Then we open it. So that's our diagram there. We want to edit it. Now see that this case is opposite, or a mirror of what we did first of the cutting tool. Now as before, I'll delete this, delete the angle, this one as well. Delete this one and this one. Now we define this one. Now again, these two are equal, this and this. Then use a line tool to join those points. Now this line and this line are equal. And with that, our diagram is fully defined. Now we save it, and close it. And we open back our cylinder. There it is. And this time round, we want to apply the cutting thread or the die on this surface, the outer surface. And to do that, and we go to features. Then what I explained earlier is probably we are going to experience it right now. I will not put a chamfer there. Now let's see if it is going to accept cut. Now thread, okay, accept that. Okay, we'll do a blind So the first location is this one. Make it 20, for example. Then it is the die that we are using this time. And we want to cut. Now let's see if it is going to cut. Now look at that error message. It is unable to cut this feature because it would result in zero thickness geometry. Now to correct that, I'll get out of this, just cancel this, then I will chamfer this edge. So chamfer, okay, there it is. Flip the direction. No, okay, chamfer, maybe 2. There is our chamfer. Maybe I make it just a small one, 1.5. Okay, then accept that. Now let's try the thread again. Okay, location is this point here. Now the die is defined. Maybe make this on 15. Everything else the same. Then we say cut. And there you are. That explained my point of the initial need to chamfer that edge. And with that, now we have our thread profile. We can edit it a bit so that we bring it out a bit so that it opens. And we put some offset of, say, okay, the reverse direction. Let's try that. Maybe I can bring it further out. Accept that. So you can see it has a very nice entry. Yeah, the thread is entering nicely into the body of the cylinder, and that is the process. You can use now both of those tools and probably change the naming of the M to square, and you'll have your tool set. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to use the Acme tool. It's just in following a similar procedure as this that we've done for the square thread.